kick off your day with some fascinating facts about orange cats. Did you know orange cats are almost always male? That's right, about 80% of them are boys. It's all down to genetics. The gene for orange color is on the X chromosome. Males only need one, while females need two, and they aren't just orange. They can be cream, ginger, marmalade, or even red, but regardless of the shade, they're all considered orange in the cat world. One more fun fact, most orange cats are tabbies. That means they have distinctive M-shaped markings on their foreheads. So next time you see an orange cat, remember these fun facts. Who knew there's so much behind that adorable sunny fur? Now you do. Stay curious and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.